Getting set up for our next job. Brakes and rotors. Pads and rotors.
Prads and rotors.
Prads and rotors. One day we're gonna get one of those big fancy electric ones so you don't have to do this by hand.
Okay, that'd be cool.
Red Bull, not sponsored. Yet. Okay, so we can't find our adapter for the impact, so we're gonna do this one old-fashioned way. Do what?
Sometimes I gotta put it on the ground.
Oh.
Well, you gotta hold the brakes.
Can do. Look at me doing the important stuff. Yeah. That work? Do I need to hold still? No, I don't think so. Okay. Nope, I could not let go. Had to come back. He's struggling. Those things are on there. Gotta hold this wheel too. Ugh. Okay, he says I'm good. What?
Those were tight.
Oh. God dang. Don't you love doing it the old-fashioned way? Isn't this what you spent all that money on your impacts and stuff for?
No.
This just makes you appreciate them even more. So, the whole vertical recording thing in the last one, hopefully just holding it horizontal fixes it. But I did accidentally start recording vertical one time, so we'll see. Oh.
This is gonna be fun.
Yeah. Love that.
Better just start with that.
Sent on a very important mission. And the adapter was found. We can use the impact. Nice. Okay, you're forgetting to explain it to me like I'm 5.
I'm taking the caliper off.
Yep.
This bolt, and the caliper will fall off. Right here.
Coming, I'm not coming. Oh, yeah, okay.
And this bolt. And then we have to take off these really fat bolts behind them
I see.
to get this bracket off so we can get the rotor off.
Oh, okay.
See if I can get this thing in here. Now I can take the caliper and try and hang it somewhere. It's not trying to get damaged.
Gotcha.
This side is pretty low, but it's not as bad as I expected, so that's good.
Jeez, they are so rusty, though. I guess he says he hasn't driven it in a while, though.
Yeah. Okay, now, I don't know if I can get an impact on these big bastards. Everything on this is just a strange size. Like it wants to fit, but it doesn't want to fit. And a little bit overkill, if you ask me.
The other one's where?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
And here.
Well, they're supposed to be big boy brakes. Overkill is necessary, duh.
Big boy brakes with the biggest possible bolt holding caliper bracket on I've ever seen.
Thank you, Range Rover. You said the caps on there are swollen anyway, right?
Yeah, they're trying to.
Well, we'll probably just let him know so that way he can invest in some new ones.
It's weird because my metric sizes don't fit. It's European. Europeans always use metric. Interesting.
They decided to throw a wrench in it. But you didn't laugh hard enough at that. I'm hilarious. Just kidding. What about spark plugs?
It's a spark plug socket.
Oh. If I fits, I sits.
If it works, it works. Now.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, look at that. Woo! Doggo. He's so cute. There's another one. I think it's a tripod. My heart.
This is not ideal for an impact, but
This is why we can't have nice things.
okay, I put it here. This is killing too much torque. Okay. That one is smoke down there. There we go.
Nice.
Cool.
Now you got a decontortionist that out of there.
Now, before we sit here for an hour beating this rotor off, let's make sure the other rotor fits or is the right size.
Good call. Sweet. So you just pulled the caliper bracket off, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully I brought a big enough hammer.
You mean literally beat it off, all right.
Nice.
Okay, well, that came off a lot easier than expected.
Cool. That's good. Very
Couple 20 whacks or so, that's all I take too. JK, JK. That was the rotor, right? Yeah, okay. So,
We need some rags.
oh, which we always forget to bring.
Our homemade rag.
Your hoodie that you've had since high school.
Yeah. Let's clean this up.
Wash, rinse, repeat. Am I right? Ah, so fresh, so clean. So why do you do this?
There's a rust inhibiting oil on the rotors in the box, and it'll soak into your pads and ruin them immediately.
Okay.
And clean all that off.
Does that pose any sort of like your brakes not, you know, grabbing and braking properly and
Yes.
whatever
all of the
risk?
above.
Brake clean for the win. Yeah, baby.
You gotta clean this whole face off.
Gosh, it looks... It's not bad that that's all rusty in the middle and stuff. Looks so out of place.
This thing came from somewhere in a rusty state.
Georgia is where he said it's from, I think. Now look what you've done.
Well, I don't really want to put this back in. But it holds the rotor while I work on it.
Can you just not put it like as tight?
Yeah.
Especially since it's all rusted.
Where's my rag sleeve? There it is.
I hate that word. I don't know why. Rag.
Okay. So, I forgot my C-clamp.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't bring anything today, apparently. Can you tell I'm tired?
Are your Red Bull's behind you? Not sponsored yet.
Hopefully we will be.
I showed the way that I open my hands and twist my tab on camera.
Did you?
So one day when people actually watch this video, I'm gonna get judged for that. Listen, I've done it since I was like, I don't know, my first sibling was born. Something like that. Oh. Oops. Sorry.
It'll only be on one side of it.
If it has it, so we didn't find the sensor on this side. So if we don't find one on the other side, we can just put it on the other side.
If it's not on the other side, then it doesn't have one.
Yeah, like, do you think somebody just didn't install it, or it didn't come with one?
Yeah, it's not here, so it either didn't come with one or it's on the other side. Because there's only one side it goes on.
So is it not a thing that you can do a job like this that does have one and just not put it in?
I'm sure it is, but it would set off a light, and he said he doesn't have the light.
That's true.
So it would clip into the pad. That's where it's supposed to sit.
Oh, I see.
So what it does is it clips in to this little slot.
Yeah.
On one of the pads. So I'm guessing it's on the other side. It's got to be. And then the stupid design for them. I'll go grab one. Grab it.
Want me to grab it? What's that?
The irritating thing about these is that is the sensor.
Right.
Take your pad and your sensor. Let me see how this clips into your pad just like that. And it's designed so that as soon as your pad gets low enough that it touches your rotor right here, it sets off the brake light.
Right.
Problem is this is permanently damaged. You have to replace it and buy a new one.
Gotcha. Probably on the other side though. Guess we shall see.
One pad down to metal on the other side. But the inside pad may still have enough life that it didn't hit the sensor yet.
Why does the inside and outside wear differently?
So the pistons right here on your caliper are what push your pads.
Okay.
And then they return on these floating pins that slide. So all your weight is pressed here and it forces one pad into this and then it squeezes it all together. So it takes a little bit of time and sometimes they can get a little bit sticky. And sometimes they won't wear quite as evenly.
Gotcha.
Which is fairly normal, but if you start noticing like half a pad and no pad, then you have a problem.
For sure.
Sticking severely.
Got you.
So now I just gotta get this to line up. It might help if I do this part first. I'll take this one. And then we can take our other fancy new tool over here.
Oh yeah! I love this thing.
And this. No, they're not tight yet, but I don't have to sit here and twist it by hand for 5 minutes.
Right.
Okay.
So that doesn't tighten them?
I mean, it's hand tight, maybe, but no. It's not really meant to tighten anything like that.
Okay.
So, do we need to move our stuff?
Oh.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah,
Oh,
sorry.
please.
This actually does tighten stuff.
Fair.
Torsionist this thing in here again.
Right.
Use the old pads for our section.
Oh my gosh.
We'll take our paper.
So this is an old school trick, is that what you said?
A little bit, yeah.
Ooh, trick of the trade, huh? Anything I can do to help?
Maybe.
So right now you said you're trying to manually push the caliper?
Yeah, I'm trying to get the pistons pushed back in.
The piston. To push back in. Okay.
Because I forgot all my stuff.
I know. Legit. A rookie ass mistake, huh? It's okay, this is how I learn best. Now next time we go to a brick job, I'll make sure we have it. Alright. We're giving up. We need that tool. We're gonna go get it. And we have towels. And this little dude. Since we forgot ours at home.
Always forget something, you know?
Rookie mistake. Is I. You know what? Which one of the good tools that you do this? Make this a lot more to do. That's the thing, right? Okay. As much fun as this is. Really learning about here.
Now that my arms are sufficiently tired. Okay. Now, we should be able to take this old junk out.
Sick.
I'll take that from you.
Whew, thank God. I did all the heavy lifting there.
Yep. Almost broke your nail again.
I know. I can't even. Make me look like a liar, but it's there.
Where do we put the brake pads?
We put them probably in the passenger seat. There it is. I bent it backward, pushing the button to try to get the hatch open. Feel bad for me, please. I'm dying. Okay. Brake pads. Got it. This is our punishment for forgetting stuff. Had to pack it all up. Oh, and spill stuff everywhere. Look at me go. Oh no, no Red Bull. Not sponsored yet. Sorry. We'll get you another one. This. Hey, I said I would clean it up. We have this. Anyway,
freshies.
Okay.
And this should fit now. Oh yeah.
Like a glove. Like the ones we keep forgetting to put on.
Did you grab them?
Yeah, well, I thought about it and just didn't. I know, but we're already this far, you know? Look how dirty I am.
You can get less dirty still.
Where's the fun in that?
Well, everyone wants sparkle.
I know, but, well, next time. There's always next time. Should have brought a jacket.
Yeah, I don't know. It's winter time. Usually you do that.
We've had an unusually warm one.
There we go. Okay. Alright. Then we can put this wheel back on. We're done with this side.
Heck yeah. It would appear we've lost the adapter again. Old school way it is. Why are we like this? This adapter is going to be our 10mm socket. Torque wrench. 103.
103.
Can you do in a star shape? One of them is different. I guess you just switch the adapter on.
Okay, we're done with one side.
Yay!
Now we gotta get this on the ground so we can switch sides.
Let's see.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.
Oh, different size. Oh.
To dream,
Swollen. Swole.
believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules my life destroyed.
You sound tired, but I want to help, but I'm trying not to get in the way, and you don't usually need my help or want my help.
I'm already in the hard part stuff. I'm tired.
Well, just if you're tired, I can help.
Life destroyed until I walk awake. Scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break.
Oh yeah, that's our ground up rotor right there. Yeah, this pad is all kinds of gone. Okay, here's our brake sensor right here.
Go around you. Oh, okay. So we might be able to reuse that one?
We'll see. Once we get to it. Hopefully this comes off as nicely as the last one did.
Right.
Will it break?
If you use the new ratchet at least.
Oh yeah, huh? How many teeth? How many teeth? 80 teeth. Dang. As opposed to the how many on your however year old one? My
60-year-old ratchet had 30 teeth.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, would you mind just pumping the brakes up on me?
Yeah. No, I don't mind. Pumping brakes, pumping brakes, pumping brakes. I have pedal already. Oh no, not yet. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, sure enough.
I did not quite grind it to set it off yet. So that one is still okay.
Dang.
Barely. And here comes
Ooh. Wow.
back's got a little bit left on it.
A little bit. So that's not a concerning amount of difference in where?
I'm gonna check these pins, make sure they're free. I think it's moving pretty free.
Where are you doing? Oh.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero. Superhero.
Nope. I think we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today.
Look like that. Yep. There it goes. Nice. Holy crap.
That side looks okay. Pretty worn out, but got a pretty deep lip on it. Here and here, you can. That's just how much material's come off the rest of it,
Yeah.
and then you can see that.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh. New rotor time.
Where's our rag?
Oh, I hate it. Well, we have shop towels now.
Oh yeah, go. Whew, I'm tired.
I bet. Can you help yet or not? Should I just sit here not looking pretty?
Not looking good. You're beautiful.
Oh yeah? You listening to me like alfalfa?
I don't have any soapy water. Okay.
To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need.
Terrible, terrible thing back in. How you doing? How you doing?
Take it or leave it.
That. I gotta do this again.
Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this.
Okay, the one difference on this side is we gotta put this back on. Sits on the bleeder screw, like a that.
This is the brake wear sensor.
Yep. Now, it did get slightly touched, but it's not setting off any sensors. or lights, so we're gonna reuse this one.
Okay. Save him some money.
And now it just clips right in this little gap. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh yeah, the little.
It snaps into that.
Okay. Okay. Yep.
Just like that. Right there. Alright, so what this does, when the edge of this sensor,
Yep.
when the brake pads wear, it'll get closer to the rotor, and the very end of this sensor will rub on the rotor and it'll grind it off, and it'll open a circuit.
Okay.
And when that circuit's open, it'll illuminate the brake light on your dash, or it'll tell you in the sensor or the center screen that you need to change your brakes.
Got you. Okay.
Now, unfortunately, since there's only one, and it's only on the back pad of this side, the only way this will be accurate, as we could see before, because this did not have an illuminated brake light,
Right.
yet we had grinding brakes.
Right.
The only way that this is accurate is if this pad is the first one to get to that point.
Of all four of them.
Of all four.
Yeah.
That's just the way they designed this thing. So
Okay.
it's not the best way to know that you're out of brakes.
Fair. Fair. Okay. Good.
But
to
when
know,
it
good
is
to know.
all working properly, it can be useful. I think it's kind of dumb that they are a part that is designed to get destroyed. They could have done this in a different way that maybe like doesn't destroy it, so you have to buy a new one.
Right. Unless you ignore it for long enough that.
But that's neither here nor there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Just my opinions on things.
Fair.
All right, time to put the wheel back on. We are done. Wrap
Call her a
this up.
day. Heck yeah.
We looked at this brake wear sensor on here. You got really lucky with this one.
Really?
So here, I can pop it off and show you how these work. So this is the sensor itself.
Okay.
See this little spot is a little bit silver shiny, kind
Yeah.
of. So that's the point that it literally just touched the rotor.
Oh.
If it would have went, I don't know, you drove it 2 more days.
Yeah.
This would have killed this. That would have illuminated your light inside,
Okay.
and then it would have had to have been replaced. But this one is perfectly fine.
Sweet.
It literally just kind of grazed it,
Okay. Perfect.
and didn't actually do that. So we don't have to replace
I'm
that.
glad to hear that.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah. Awesome.
And you're all set. Like I said, we'll put the wheel back on. You should be able to gladly drive this thing again.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
I really appreciate it.
Of course.
I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Come in just.
So for those of you that are unfamiliar with Milwaukee, this has a setting right here. And what this does is it's designed to 0 torque. So when you see me do this, I'm not over torquing these lug nuts. All it does is it'll spin and stop immediately.
Nice, nice.
It's designed to not torque anything or put any extra torque. It's just to run them down to where they're seated.
Like the sunrise, you know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight, we're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up.
Now we pump the brake pedal back up so we have brakes.
Okay.
Just get the
That's my cue. That's it, that's all. We let her down gently, like fine gentlemen. Look at all that. But yeah, gonna call it a day. Finish up everything that we are skedaddling.